Hello friends, welcome to Academic Heights. Learn from home. Why Academic Heights? For clarity, for concepts, for core, for competency. Overall, your turning point starts here. I am ready to teach you. Are you ready to learn? Discussing the case study questions for class 10th. Topic triangles. Here we go to the case study number 2. Rohan wants to measure the distance of the pond during the visit to his native. He marks points A and B on the opposite edges of the pond as shown in the figure below. To find the distance between the points, he makes a right angle triangle using the rope connecting B with another point C, or the distance of 12 meters. Connecting C to the point D at the distance of 40 meters from the point C, and connecting D, the point which is distance of 30 meters from the D, such that angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. So basically what he is doing, the Rohan is measuring the distance between the distance of the pond. What is the length of the pond? Simple is measuring the length of the pond, distance of the pond. So to measure this, first of all, he has identified the edges of the pond A and B. After that, B edge connected with a rope to C, and C is connected with the rope D, and D with the rope he has connected with A. So he has used BC 12 meters rope and CD 40 meters rope, as well as DA 30 meters rope, and he is forming a 90 degree right angle triangle. So this is the case study about Rohan is measuring the distance of the edges of the pond. Now, before solving the question, we should discuss about Pythagoras theorem as well as Pythagoras triplet. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So in the question, clearly h square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So h square is equal to a square plus b square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. This is we can apply in any right angle triangle. Next, what is Pythagoras triplet? A Pythagoras triplet consists of three positive integers a, b, c, such that a square plus b square is equal to c square. So if I add sum of any two sides will be the square of the third side, then that is called Pythagoras triplet. I will show whether the given number is a given triplet is a Pythagoras triplet or not. How we will calculate? I am taking the question number, this one, 9, 40 and 41. Will check this is a Pythagoras triplet or not. So according to the Pythagoras triplet, what I have to do? A square plus b square is equal to c square. So 9 square plus 40 square, is it equal to 41 square or not? I have to check it. 9 square is how much? 81, plus 40 square is how much? 1600, is equal to 41 square is how much? So multiply 41 into 41. So clearly it is 41 and 4 and 16. So clearly what I will get? 1681. So add 81 and 1600. Add 81 and 1600. Are you getting 1681 or not? Yes, you are getting 1681. So that 940 41. 9, 40, 41 is a Pythagoras triplet. Why? Because of it obeys the Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Let us now see the questions now. Which property of geometry will be used to find the distance AC? Clearly, Rohan is forming a right angle triangle. Only one right angle triangle. So that we can use their Pythagoras theorem. Only option is Pythagoras theorem. We don't have any other chances. Question number 2. What is the distance AC? So how to find the distance of AC? So simple, I am taking this as A and this as B, and the hypotenuse I am taking it as C. So clearly, what is Pythagoras theorem? C square is equal to A square plus B square. So C is equal to this square. If it comes this side, it becomes square root of A square plus B square. So now substitute the values. What is A value? The value of A is 30 here. So 30 square, and the value of B is 40 here. 40 square. 30 square is 900. 40 square is 1600. So both together we will get it as 2500. So clearly square root of 2500. Clearly it is 50 meters. So what is the distance of AC? 50 meters. The total distance from here to here, it is 50. So in this we have one of the rope 12 meters. So ultimately, what is AC distance we got it here? It is 50 meters. We'll see the next third question. Which of the following does not form a Pythagoras triplet? So already you know what is Pythagoras triplet. So A square, first number square plus second number square is equal to third number square. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Each and every triplet, this will be obey, and this will also obey, this will also obey. And I will check about D now. So 21 square plus 20 square, is it equal to 28 square? So 21 square, 21 into 21, 441, plus 20 square, clearly it is 400. 28 square, so 28 square is 784. So what about 441 and 400? Clearly this is 841, is not equal to 784. So this is not a Pythagoras triplet. So D is not forms a Pythagoras triplet. Here we are choosing the option D. So remaining all three, it obeys. Already we saw the Pythagoras triplets. So you can cross check in the introduction. Question number 4. What is the length of AB? Now the Rohan's exact what he wants to measure, the length of the pond, distance of the pond. He is asking AB how much. So clearly we got this total length as 50. Already we have discussed this one. The AC length is 50. In this total length is 50 meters. The rope is how much? 12 meters we have to subtract. Why? Because of then only we will get AB length. So AB length is equal to, length of AB is equal to AC minus BC. So AC is 50 minus BC is 12. So clearly that is 38 meters. So the distance of the pond is 38 meters. So Rohan has succeeded. He has measured the distance of the pond as 38 meters. Come to the last question. What is the length of the rope? He is not asking total perimeter of the right angle triangle. wherever he has used the rope, he is asking that total length is how much. So from B to C, he has used the rope. From C to D is also he has used the rope. And from A to D is also he has used the rope. So the length of the rope is equal to BC plus CD plus DA. So calculate the total length. 12 plus 40 plus 30. 70 plus 12. That is clearly 82 meters. So he has used 82 meters of rope to find the distance of the pond. So that's all about this sum. We'll see all the answers here. The first question, we got C option. Clearly, he wants to use only Pythagoras theorem there. Next, the total AC length 50 meters. So 21, 20, 28. It does not follows the Pythagoras triplet. And only the distance between the pond is 38 meters we got. Total rope he has used 82 meters. So all answers we got it as correct. So you also try it and find out whether you are getting the same answers or not.